Hey, what's up, Irish Trader? How are you, man? Been a while since I hadn't seen you on my Discord, but thanks for coming in here. What are you looking at today? Pretty good, pretty good. Let's get these gains for sure, man. I'm just trying to set everything up, and then I'll look at the gappers. I got time. Oh, come on. Why does it keep doing this, man? Ever since I changed my setup, I like deleted my old one, so now I like don't have the stuff that I need to record for TikTok, and it's being so annoying. So I don't need that, I don't need that, and I don't need that. It's really annoying, man. This morning watching them at Microsoft MBA for put plays. Yeah, you don't really look at penny stocks momentum, right? If I remember. Okay. Okay, I think that's set. Let's hope that's set. So I'm gonna lock it. Start recording. And I'm set. Alright, let's do this. Not much lately, but as my account grows, I'll get back to it. Yep. I remember you saying you had a smaller account and you're trying to build it. I have you on TikTok, so I've seen some of. Good morning, Joey. What's up? How are you today? I remember I'm not looking at this. Maybe to start setting alerts way up here and get that out the way. This one looks decent. Put alerts. I always do this. I look at the ones from the day before, so I keep them up there and then just start posting alerts because you know any moment any of these pick up momentum and they take off running. That one's just not even worth it. I mean, I guess, but way up here. And even if they don't trigger today, they'll trigger another day and they could be good trades. GOB, awesome. Hopefully green today. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping too. I went red yesterday, so. Pally, this is, I mean, way up here. DPRO. That was not the fade overnight that I expected. Let's see. So you're looking at, I'll quickly look at Microsoft and BAC that you were looking at. I don't want that. MULN picked up momentum yesterday. So we can put this here. Put that there. BBIG, no. This one is trying to again. This one would be a good play if it got over today. STNE got me yesterday. I was right on this ticker. Traded it here and there somewhere. Good morning, team. What's up, Raphael Trader? Glad you commented. I don't remember seeing your name before, but glad you're here. Thanks for coming back. Let me know if you got any questions or anything. I might have just missed it before, but you said you're looking short on Microsoft, your average trader? Dang, it's been a while since I delete stocks. Good morning again. I'm new in your lobby, so I'm glad to be here. Alright, well, welcome in. Let's look at Microsoft. Are you trading penny stocks momentum as well, or? Yeah, I think everything's following this pattern just now. Average trader where everything came up. Now it looks like we'll have a pullback, so I expect Microsoft maybe pull back. Back to 295s, 290s. Alright, well, let's look at the gappers today before I run out of time. So we got, oh my god, we got nothing. Well, we got this one already. Oh, it's got room still. We got CELZ, we got CREX. I'm not liking this one either, but let's start putting everything over here. CLZ, CREX. I hate when stock starts squeezing pre-market because I feel like that's the only moves that I'll see like that, and then when market opens, there's nothing there. So I'm not liking the gappers, so I might just keep looking at my momentum scanner a lot today. Good morning, Ape. Ape Trades. I feel like I looked at HYMC. Yeah, I saw this one earlier. I don't like this. TMZ. So, not very good. Momentum gappers today. What y'all looking at? Y'all seen the same things I'm watching? Celsius getting the hype. Yep, that's what I saw. GameStop starting to move. I did see GameStop, right? GameStop is back, and yeah, that's a big rally yesterday. Doubled in price almost. What about AMC? Do we got a move on AMC? Of course we did also. Do you know why they started rallying again? GME? I saw your Tesla rallied because of look at that. Whew. Because of a new factory, right? In Germany or something like that. Giga Berlin. Man, look at this 180 chart straight up. I would short this. I'd buy some puts, but they're all so expensive. Next week puts. Gosh, that's a lot. You can buy put spreads maybe, but unless you buy something way down here in the 900s, you're still looking at $800, $900. I'm too scared to bet against Tesla in an uptrend. Yeah, you're right. But, I mean, you could see him move up here again to the thousands and short at 1,000s. That's what I think. So maybe start up again and then pew. And I mean, what's it called? Your average traders, right? He said, we've had like 6 green days in a row almost. So if SPY starts going down too, that'll pull everything down. So Tesla will go with it. Yep, that's what I was looking at, $1,000. For everyone that was asking what do I have on my cage, that's him right there. Why can't I? There we go, that's him. Sales looks good, but not when it's pre-market, dang. We still got 3 minutes. I can't trade too much today. Buying power is very low. Are you on a cash account? Cash account, yes. Yeah, that's one thing I don't like about cash accounts. It's annoying. Especially when you see a setup or you really want to take one trade and you can't. Are you close to overcoming PDT rule or not? Not quite. I honestly don't know why the PDT rule exists. I mean, I guess they're trying to protect you from losing your money, but they'll make money off of you, so why does it matter? I have to fix it because it keeps messing it up every morning. I still like cells. I read up on it once. If anyone and everyone could day trade, paper trade for me today. Good. What platform are you on? How we use the profits tabs. What do you mean? Thinkorswim, okay, yeah. I remember when I tried using paper trade on Thinkorswim, I just hated it because there's a profits tab at the top of the chat room. Oh, I don't know. I haven't messed with this too much. Let me look at it. It might just be like another chat. I think it's just another chat. You just post other stuff there. There you go. Thanks, average trader. All right, here we go. Time to focus. I'm looking at CELZ. And of course, it's probably just gonna rip through highs. Yep. So 356 is what we need to close over. I wanted a little dip here. I bought that dip. I sold half already. Everything is so choppy, man. Everything has felt so choppy. I finally set up my Joey Bro $100 start. I mean, yeah, I mean, I get it, but it's just so I just don't understand. I really don't know if it's my trade ideas and my OBS and my Streamlabs and my platform running at the same time on this computer, because I don't do that. But everything just feels so choppy, and I don't like it. I was up like 300, 3 something, and I literally called yesterday to my bank and transferred the money to Lightspeed. So I'm going to figure out all the buttons, all my settings, all my charts, everything, and I am switching. I think so. I really think so, because something just feels off. By the way, everybody that was asking, Thinkorswim is kind of behind. You go to setup up here and you go to application settings. I don't know if y'all have done this before or not, but you go to setup, you go to application settings, you go to system and quote speed. You have to change this to no delay. Default comes with like 1 second delay or 3 seconds delay, which it's a big difference. So you want to put no delay on that. So that'll help you. And then active trader, nothing there. That's what I do up here, where I just click auto send. So that just that little thing will help you. Your fills, yeah, my fills do seem slower, but I still like the stock. I still think it's got room to go. We got all time of 435, so that could be promising. AMC is back up. CLF is showing up on my momentum scanner. I wonder why. This thing is just flying. Nowhere to see a trade though. This reminds me of STNE yesterday, and I took a trade going over highs and failed. CLEZ is failing back to that same 156. We might just get a flush down a VWAP. If this candle comes back and closes over 154, what's up, Johnny? You missed my trade already. Look, I'm up, but I'm not happy about it. This is frustrating. John, you need to start day trading again. Now you can trade and watch me trade live too. May 205 paper trading on Vale. Let's look at Vale. I thought I saw it somewhere. Not, whoa, what made you take a trade on here? Oh, you got highs of 2017, maybe. What was I saying about MULN is trying to rally? What was I saying about? Oh, paper trading. When you paper trade, when you buy, does it actually fill you here? Because when I used to paper trade on Thinkorswim, I would see the candles here and buy or sell, but it was filling me on the price that it was actual real time. So if the price now is like $20 right here, and in 15 minutes later, like ahead, like real time, the price was up here at $20.02. Even though I'm watching this candles and buying here, it was filling me at this price over here. So it was like impossible to paper trade. I don't know if they fixed that already or not. We got Tilray making a little move, or I thought it was. Came up on my scanners. So I did make a gap up. MULN is coming back up and RSN is coming back up, but nowhere near anywhere I want to trade it. I'm getting an alert for Vale. That's the one you're just calling out. Let's go look at it. It still needs a little bit more volume. Yes, it happens to me, but it's fixed now. Oh, nice. Yeah, I remember when I was trying to, that was happening nonstop, and that's why usually that's the main reason why I tell people don't paper trade. I don't like paper trading. I did it for like less than a week. I opened the account and I used small money at first. I'd make like 20, 30 bucks a day. Welcome in everybody else. I got 12 viewers. If you got any questions, let me know. Let me go back to sales, and this is what I usually do. Put an alert up here if it starts squeezing, picks up quick momentum. I'm gonna look at that. I don't see anything else, guys. Tilray, maybe. Where to go? Tilray. I thought about buying that VWAP bounce, but I didn't. Let's see. I'm still having an RSN on my side chart as well as MULN. Both MULN pulling back right now and RSN trying to make higher highs. I kind of just bought this one just to see if I actually am lagging or not on my fills. I think it might dip a little more though. I only bought 1,000. But I expect a little dip and then another move up maybe. It's holding this level right here. So I might add to it here. Oh, that's too much of a dip. That was too much of a dip. There goes all my profit today. CLZS maybe? No. Let's see. Those are the ones that whenever somebody was asking me yesterday when you see a dip and when you see too much, right here was a good dip to there. After that it flushed. That's not a dip anymore. So I will get out of that. CEI, let's look at that. Nothing there. Tesla back to 997. Hey, that's a possible short, I think. Let's go look at it. Up, I hit 997 exactly and pulled back. It is, but can't short test on Thinkorswim. Yeah, I know. You can buy a put spread if you want to be conservative with your money, like instead of just going straight put. I want NR Ascent to get back in play. Buy and play, I mean $7, $8. Very possible. I don't see anything else moving. Do y'all guys see anything? Do you trade options too? I do, but very rarely. Not for my main income. So in the mornings, I'll never look at any options. I'll just do this, trade stocks, and then if I see anything like middle of the day on my phone or something like that, I'll make an option play. But no, not really. Been too busy to trade. That was such a late reply. I've just been adding to my Neo position. Yeah, I know. I should have bought a ton when it was at $13. Here goes CELZ again. It's struggling with that same resistance. And this is one thing I also hate. Thinkorswim, look, I can't zoom in, guys. It won't let me zoom in. There we go. That happens a lot. Really. There goes Tilray again. Were there news on Tilray? I'm sure there was something. I'll try another little dip. Wow, that's gonna fell on me right away again. Again, right away. Man. I'm at 2042 average right now, down from 34. Holy crap. How did you get it so low? Tesla 107. Dude, every time you say something like this about Tesla, it's making me want to short this. There goes NR Ascent a little bit. Let me look at that one. This is one that has good spreads and good everything, so I can one trade here, it can be pretty good. You were buying 13, 14, 15, 16. I bought a little bit at like 13 and 14, but I think I sold calls and I already sold them at like 22 or something, or 21 or something like that. So everybody new here, I have a momentum scanner for you guys to look at. That's right above my camera. The ones over there are my gappers. So usually I look at those pre-market. So I don't even have those pulled up anymore. Well, I guess I do, but I don't look at them. But up here is my momentum. The darker the color, the more it's popped up on there. So usually I look for that. Do you see my mouse over them when I do this? No, I think it just captures a window. There goes NRSN again. This feels low volume-ish. AMC is rallying up again. You got a pre-market high of 2079. BTU is coming up on my momentum. I want NRSN. Oh, there goes CELZ. A little bit. This looks volume like volume coming in. But can't get over that 156 again. Yeah, 156 is resistance on CELZ. What trades have y'all taken today, guys? What trades? What profit? Loss? I know Joey is the only one mentioned the paper trading today. Up 75 on Tesla, nice. I'm still sitting around just waiting for something. I think I'm negative now, but it's not much and it's not been a good day. So breaking even, low, small loss or something like that, I'm fine with today. Because no, and also don't. CELZ, come on, hold this, hold this. Small position again. Nothing is really working in my favor, so I don't need to go big right now. Every time I've bought something today, instantly got rejected, so odds are this will too. I'm also watching NRZN on the side. I see buyers coming in here, yep. Did you see how delayed that sell was? I clicked it and the bar moved with my order. I did it again. Okay, NRSN looks like it's picking it up. Is options easy to learn? Are you successful at it? It's climbing, yeah. I see NRSN. Options, they're easy to learn, the basics. There's a lot of different ways you can mix them, like combinations and strategies and stuff that I don't know about. I kind of just know the basics. There goes CELZ again. No, this one feels heavy. Feels too heavy. You can make a lot more with options for the money you put in. So you can put $300 and make 300 to 500 to 600 if you get a good winner. You'll never see that in stocks. I mean, you can, but it's very rare. Like this stock would have to go today for me to put, hold on, $300 here at $6. It would have to go all the way up to 12 to get $300 back. Are you just not gonna pull back? Let's just try this. Let's just try this. I'm in on NRSN, guys. Small position again, but I'm in. I will look to add if it dips a little bit more. As long as it doesn't fail completely on me. Which I don't see buyers coming in. This is not looking good. No, this does not look good. I'm gonna cut it. Gosh, damn, guys, I just haven't had good luck recently. You can also lose like 50% of precision minutes too. Yeah, I mean that's what options do for you. You have chance to make more, but you can also lose it right away. Look at this. I do still think this can come back up and make one good trade. $675 support. Yeah, VWAP. I should have known better on this one. And that was only 1,000 shares. LBPS. Let's look at that. LBPS. Oh, I mistyped it. BPS. Okay, another high price stock. Was it on my... This thing got halted and it didn't show up on my halt scanner? Why is my halt scanner not working now? Yeah, I'm not liking the action today either. I'm already red again. But I feel like this is normal. You get momentum and you get stocks going 400% in one day, and then it kind of slows down for a little bit, and then they start picking back up, and yeah, I'll have 2 red days back to back, probably. But every time I do that, I think my odds of being green tomorrow are higher, so. So but now let me open trade. Oh no, I can't open it on my other laptop. I don't know why my halt scanner is not showing anything now. Properties, text header, yes, fine. Configure. History. Real time. Configure. Windows specific. Price. One. Yep. Volumes today. Does Thinkorswim have a halt feature? I have no idea. LBPS is still trying to make another move. NRSN completely failed. CELZ completely failed. I'm gonna have to mess with my halt scanner in a little bit. And this stock is just like frozen almost. Barely moving. Now this stock's moving. REVV. VB. That helps a little bit. Sorry guys, I couldn't call that one out. I got in it right away. I jumped in well, I mean, I called the stock, but I didn't call the trade. REVB, small dip entry right here. What I saw was this. It was going to that point again, but buyers stepped in real quick, so I got in them with them break of highs and squeezed up a little bit. So $180 there, 170, sorry. I do like LBPS if... Why did I have an alert on here? Oh, I guess a while back. No, I don't know if Thinkorswim has a halt feature. I know they have scanners, but I don't know if halt's one of them. But I'm sure you can quickly look that up and see if it does. Well, I was liking LBPS if it could curl back up, but Vale, are you still looking at Vale? Who was it? Joey was looking at Vale? Curling back up, maybe. Is that a halt? Oh, yeah, it takes you. Yeah, it'll show you resumption and all that stuff, but I don't know. A swing trade. Vale for a swing trade, yeah. I don't know why my halt scanner on Trade IDs is not working, so I'm gonna have to play with it for a little bit after this. So action's not good today. I'm negative, but I kind of minimized my loss a little bit with that last trade on RE right here, REVB. Wolfhound, thanks for sending that link, by the way, though. I actually didn't know of that link for a while, for that website for a while when I first started trading. And so I kind of just got used to whenever I see a halt, I just wait 5 minutes. If it's not 5 minutes, it's usually 10 minutes. But I know that one tells you exactly resumption and all that stuff, so it can be helpful. REVB, maybe another curl back up. Okay, another $100 something there. That was a breakout trade. So this is the reason why I say oh, come on. As I was just about to say. I mean, as long as it closes over 229, I'm going to keep holding it. Especially if this was just people covering, shorts covering, and it bring the price real fast down. So now it's got room to squeeze a little bit more. And close this candle now and move higher. Yep, like that. Perfect. I called it out even before it happened. My trade ideas halt is working, so it must be on your side. Yeah, appreciate it, Wolfhound. I'll have to look at it. So I know I just started streaming, and I usually run my scanner on. Thanks. I called it out before it happened. So when you see these moves like that, I don't know if it's true, but that's what I like to think. So you have people like me who are trading $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, we don't move these candles. We don't move the price. But you have people that have a lot of money in these candles. So when they buy or when they sell or when they cover, when they all that stuff, you see those big wicks of candles, or like you see a big rejection or something like that. Like it happened yesterday on DPRO, I think. Like this kind of move. When you get a break, when you're breaking out, and then if all of a sudden flushes, and you get another break, and it all of a sudden flushes. I mean, this candle is almost $1, like half a dollar move. These candles like these, and these are from yesterday. But when you get those candles, I think it's big entities, big banks, big people, warrior trading almost kind of type thing where they're managing a lot of money. So when you see a stock, which one did I just trade? Like right here. Oh my gosh, how'd I always move the big? I always miss the big move. Um, so here, it's moving up. It's going to do a breakout. And then you see a big flush of sellers. You see a big flush of sellers. I think these are people with big money exiting their position and selling and all that stuff. So it just brings the price right back down. But they don't have enough to, like, the price just automatically comes down because of them exiting a trade. They don't want to be in this part. So they sell and that pushes the price down, but it's not sellers going in short, it's sellers covering. So they're covering, so that happens, and then you get the squeeze because after they're out, nobody's stopping it. That's what I think. And that happens a lot. It's hard to explain, but you can I can spot some of those things just by looking at the way the candles form. If you see a big move like that and then all of a sudden nothing happens and then it goes the other direction, that's what I like to think happened. And it doesn't have to be anybody big. It can be somebody like me who's just trading a bunch of money and they're like, "Oh crap, this is going to squeeze, so let me just get out." I think I'm still right on the day though. But that was kind of a good trade. Especially when you see these like this, you want to buy that dip. Should we just try a dip entry? Where is the support at? 246, 247, dancing around. That's too much. Unless this candle body comes right back up to 2.6. Then you can look for a move higher. Same thing here. The candle was dancing down here, but it closed above that. So that's why I said if it does that, the next move will be big. And this is all experience. You just have to look at candles. That's why everybody asks me how do I start and all this. Just look at the market. Look at these candles form. Sucks that I'm always starting red though. Phil just yeah. I understand on that. It did it to me earlier. I didn't have any problem on this one. Which is weird because the other trade I took probably had more volume than this one. This one's at 5.5 million. NRSN break of downtrend maybe? MRSA? It's kind of cool how we all have our own strategies. Whatever works for you is how you trade. So I was calling MRSA out just for this break of downtrend right there. Could bought either there or even this candle retest there. Or I'll just keep going up without a retest. Desperado. I saw this one, so if you were looking at me looking at this one and then completely ignore it, I don't like stocks that have this kind of spread. The heck is that noise? Oh, so if you look here, you got $1.03, and then it moves to $1.04. That's a penny. That's a penny per. I mean, I'd have to take like a $30,000 share position on this stock, so I'm not gonna do that. And it's so choppy. Look how these candles are perfect. Like it looks like boxes, almost like here and then there and then there and then there. So I never mess with stocks that look like that. There's nothing moving. BTU showed up earlier. BTU had a break of a. Yeah, kind of. Right there. We've missed crazy move. Is it still coming? Yeah, no, I missed that crazy move, yeah. And I was in here and I was in here. But that's what sucks though. And I mean it happens a lot. Whenever I'm red on the day, I tend to take my profit right away. So I was here, I made 100, 150, I locked it in right away. I got in here, I got up another 30, 50, 70, $90. I locked it in right away. So I mean that helps me. It's a $300 winner. Yeah, this 1,000 shares could have given me another 500 bucks there, but it's fine. Emotions is a big thing of trading. You gotta learn to not let things bother you. The second I started doing that, I don't worry about losses anymore. I don't worry about yesterday being red and today being red again. Actually, I'm happy that I'm reduced my loss today because I was probably down $600 again. So I'm probably down only 100, 200 now. And I've had a good run. March has been 11 green days in a row, whatever that profit is. This isn't hurting me. How much am I up in March? March without trading a week too. Let's go look. That was like, damn. March, I'm up 6,000. 6,000, and that's pretty much 2 weeks than yesterday. I didn't trade all last week. I was out on vacation. So first week of March, second week of March, I traded. Those were 10 green days back to back, and then took a week off. Came back yesterday. No, Monday. Today's Wednesday, right? Came back Monday. I made money. So I went 11 days. Yesterday I lost a little bit less than what I made on Monday. So usually I think of it like that too. If I cancel out the day before and still have profit left over, I'm good. And then today I am somewhere between negative $100 and $200. I haven't looked at them. DPRO. Anybody else look at anything else today? How's your Tesla doing? Did it pull back already? Oh, frick. Oh, frick. Let's see. How much would it be for... I just want to see. Put spread. Let's see. Below... Buy. Vertical. Let's do 5. Confirm and send. Holy crap. Delete that real quick. Buy. Vertical. Do y'all know how to do this? If you do options. Let's try 2. Either I lose 500 or I make 400. killing it. You're going long on Tesla right now? Awesome. On CELZ. Is that like a trade you just took, or was it earlier? Because Thinkorswim slippage, yeah. Especially on paper trade, they probably don't have the best system there. So if you're here also new, I just mentioned that I do not like Thinkorswim as much, so I just opened my Lightspeed earlier. Yeah. So the only good trades I had on CELZ was off the back, and I feel like I lost after that. Maybe I lost in here. Lightspeed. I will be switching to Lightspeed. I just have to figure out everything before I switch. They have so much MULN, so much customization and hot buttons and keys and anything. You can customize anything over there. So now it just looks pretty slow, guys. It's like this. You get one or two good plays, 400%, and then slows down, and then happens again for a couple days. 2 or 3 stocks start rallying, and then it slows down. But you should always keep an eye on the stocks. For example, the one from yesterday was LLL. Look at that crazy move yesterday. Hey, by any chance, is Zodic in here from my Discord? Zodic or whatever, something like that. I meant to ask him, or I asked him a question. I think I sent it on the Discord yesterday. Let's see. Yeah, Zodic. He took a trade on MULN. Where'd it go? On MULN, but I think he said he bought it like somewhere around here. And I just wanted to ask why. I mean, maybe this, but is that just it? Is that your reasoning behind it? Huh. One of my other friends just said he bought GME calls like a couple days ago and they're printing. I cannot do that, guys. This just looks like playing with fire. I will say I missed a lot of money on GME back when it was right before the squeeze, when it was at $20, $22, something like that. I day traded it because it kept showing up on Momentum. I was like, oh, let me give it a try. It's actually got good volume and stuff. So I bought like thousands of shares at that time. And I never, I sold them that day because, you know, I day trade, so I don't hold everything over the night. But it was at $22 and I at least had 2,000, 4,000 shares. Can you imagine if I held that to whenever it went to $400? Me either, bro. I have never played GME or AMC in my life, yeah. No offense to all the apes out there, or whatever they call themselves, diamond hands, and y'all are in some other level, guys. But props to you guys. Y'all actually made it happen on GME. Okay, I have to look at my hot scanner file. It's been a while since I look at these things. I forgot how to find it. That's not even what I Everything still looks like it's failing, guys, so I don't see any possible trades right now. Actually, my Hall scanner and TradeAce is not working, so it must be the TI server. I haven't seen this happen many times. Oh, really? So it really isn't me? Because nothing is working on it. Let me try something. So if I go history, time frame, let's pick a day. Let's pick last Monday at 8. Let's do 8:50 so it shows the morning. And I mean, just pick that Monday at 3 p.m. 1 p.m. Yeah, nothing is climbing. Just rip, rip, rip. Are you still holding? It did not show PCTTU, which halted a few times ago. Yeah, and usually those stocks that halt, they're pretty good on resumptions. PCTTU. Oh well, not this one, but what the heck is that? My health scanner on my trade ideas. Oh, it just worked. Or is this what I did for the history? Did it ALG halt today? Oh, it just halted. I think it just worked, guys. Hey, Wolfhound, check yours now. I don't know if I did something to mine or they just fixed it right now or what. Yeah, mine just worked for that one too. You can see it on my thing. And it halted at a good point. Let's keep looking. Let's keep looking. I like this. Alert on top. Alert below. Max highs on this stock is 13. Is this a recent IPO, guys? If so, this has got blue sky setup. This is good setup right here. Now, what I hate when stuff like this happens, MULN is picking up volume now. Still pretty low, but it's picking up volume there. Small little dip entry there, maybe possibly. But so ALLG, if we get any type of resumption before 1345, depending on how it looks right at opening, this could be good. I'm not saying anything under 1345 straight up buy it, but I just hate whenever you have a halt and then it comes up and resumption already beats the high and you're like, okay, well now what am I looking to target? What's the target? Like, I guess psychological resistances, but now when was halt on this one? I didn't even look at it. I thought it was just halt 9:15. So we got 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. Where are we? We got 2 minutes. Let me look at something. Where'd that page go that you sent earlier? Oh, it's on this stock. Starting to chase. Did you chase Tesla? What was I gonna look at? What was I gonna look at? Yeah, right here. So it doesn't even say it on here. It doesn't even show resumption on the Nasdaq current stocks. Yeah, I gave some gains back. That's okay. That's fun. Did you end up green? Because if you end up green and you're walking away now, that's good. Good habits. Yep, good job, man. Take your profit and leave. So this line here was resistance twice 2 days ago also. So pre-market and 2 days ago. Now also a really volatile stock. 1,000 shares is plenty to trade this stock. Come on, just give me a good trade. Give me a good trade. Give me a good trade. Come on. Are we looking at a 10-minute halt, Wolfhound? Oh, terrible resumption. I thought it was a 10-minute resumption too, and it happened that fast that I only got in 1,000 shares, but 200 bucks, guys. Am I break even or green now? I don't know. What do y'all think? Easy 200. I'm very close to break even or green on the day. I don't know how I keep doing this. I end up morning opening. Well, today I actually started green, but then gave it all back again. Was negative $500, $600. Good trades on REVB. $300 there. $200 here. $180 there. Which one did I lose on? Did I trade this one? Oh, NRZ, NR, 500 there. So, if those are the only trades I took, I thought I had another loss. Is that it? Hmm. Y'all remember which other stocks I traded? Did you play? Oh, Tilray. Dang it, I was getting excited. I was getting excited. I was like, there's no way I'm up $200. I'm about break even exactly. And this one I got scared. I sold 500, but I got scared to keep the remaining 500 because this halt resumption was terrible. So I would not be surprised if this was another terrible move also. But I'm gonna keep looking at this just because it still hasn't broken that high. I just hate when stocks just halt, 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 halt. It's annoying. One halt is fine, but your monitor tab doesn't show you. Yeah, it does, but I have other stuff on there that for long term, so it jacks up my whole profit. But let me see. And usually I don't look at it until the end of the day now, when I just import it on TraderView, so I can just see it all at the end. So let's see. Let's be exact, because I think it's going to be close. Oh. Impress. Here's my big loss. I think I'm still red, guys. Wow. Hey, that's not bad. I'm down $70 from being down 600 again. 500 again. Take that. You can tell I get happy when I break even or barely lose on days like today. There goes Vale again. Whoever was watching it, it's low volume. You can see it doesn't really break out. And look at all these doja candles and very, very slow moves. But yeah, you got a big uptrend here. You got another one there. So if you break this right here, it's more like right here actually. So you're right where that candle started forming. Hey, I got this at just on vacation just now. Did anybody guess? I think I put it on my TikTok, but did anybody guess where I went for a vacation? Let's see. What time did this halt at? 9:21. So we got 4 minutes. Washington. Nope. Let me give you a hint. I used a passport. Or actually, my hint is a hoodie. I bought the hoodie there. Hawaii. Nope. Yes. I went to Mexico. This is supposedly people make them over there like that. I'm going to Mexico in 2 weeks. Nice. Where are you going at? I got two of these actually. Bro, they're so comfortable. Especially because in the mornings I get pretty cold. I think this is going to resume pretty soon. I've dropped my share precision to 500 shares. Technically my goal for the rest of the day is 80 bucks and that's it. Cancun for a honeymoon. Oh, nice. Did you just get married? Did you just get married? Are you asking where in Mexico, to him or to me? I went to Mexico. That's the halt I hate. That's the resumption I hate. What the? What the actual crap was that? Drop it down to 300 shares maybe if we get another. This is crazy. Oh, come on. Am I going to give it all back already? Not quite $80. Dang. I wanted to hold it for break of highs, but it didn't do it right away, so I got scared and psyched me out. But I'm still red. I went to Mexico City is where I flew in, and I actually have family down there. So I drove about 2 hours out from the airport, and my grandpa has a big ranch over there with a waterfall and a river run through it with a little log cabin on the side. Um, so we stayed there with a couple family members, and then we went to a couple tourist places, just walked around. That's where I found this. Dang, I had 500 shares. I had 1,000 shares at this halt. These are the ones that upset me, man, because you don't see these often, and there's no way you're going to predict this move. And I mean, I said blue sky setup true, but come on, this just upsets me. Only 100 shares. I'm green on the day, guys. I am green on the day. Oh, that's it. I'm done. Ugh. Okay, first of all, I saw your messages. So, Joey, I think I answered your question. I went to Mexico City. I drove about 2 hours out from there. My grandparents actually live down there. They got a house, giant house. It's pretty, really pretty, and all that stuff. And then they have a ranch. I call it a ranch. It's just land. Like, it's in the middle of a forest. It's not what you expect here. Like, when I say ranch here, you're probably thinking of flat land with cows and, like, all that stuff. But no, it's like big old forest, basically. And, he's got a cabin at the top of the hill, and then it's got all downhill stuff. A river goes through his land, and you also got a waterfall on his property, so that looks pretty cool. And then for Ape Trades, congratulations on getting married in December. Um, Best of luck and happiness and joyful to your marriage. Let's see what else. I am vaccinated, but the requirements to get back MULN. Wait, I thought it was done. What's happening? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Why you do this to me? I said I was done. Um, you still got room. So I am vaccinated, but they did not ask that. For Mexico, I went down there, and I don't know if it depends on the airline or not, but I think it's the United States that requires it. You need to have a COVID test within um, 24 hours of flying. So if you fly on Friday at 3 p.m., anytime on Thursday after 3 p.m., you have to go get a COVID test and basically show that you're negative, don't have COVID, and then they'll ask you that the second you step back into the United States. So, an immigration or whatever all that is, when you come back, they'll ask you for that there, or they'll also ask you for it when you get on the plane, just to make sure you have it. Otherwise, they wouldn't let you get on it if they knew you would be turned around. Um, but that was it. You can do them at the airport, so I don't know which airport you're flying out of, but I would be careful about that just because I'm sure a lot of people are going to be trying to do it at the airport, and you're either going to miss your flight or you got to be there super early just to do that. But so you can do it at the airport, or how is this still climbing, guys? Did anybody trade ALLG today? Because this move is crazy. Yeah, I think our resort gives out tests. It has to be from a pharmacy. So you can't just like buy a test yourself and then take it at home and then be like, hey, look, I'm negative, I think. It has to be from a pharmacy or a laboratory or something like that. So somebody has to do it for you, I think. Which sucks because when I thought of that, I was like, I thought the same thing. I could just buy a little test or whatever. But no, I had to go to the pharmacy and they had to do the one where it literally like cleans your brain. That's what I had to do. So, moment of truth. We go here. Oh, no, not there. Sorry. We go to monitor account statement. We go here. We go export file. We go save. Where's my web browser? We go there. Trader view. Import trades. Browse. Select today's. Open. Upload. Refresh. Pending. Refresh again. There it is. Journal. Look at that. I pulled it through. I did it. I went green. I made $40, guys. Actually, I'm really not mad about that. It was terrible trading at first. Big loss on NRSN. Got literally destroyed on Tilray, and not because it was a big, a big profit, because it wasn't. But as soon as I bought twice, I instantly went red and redder and even more redder, so I had to sell. So yeah. It was yesterday's. So yesterday I was down like 1200 at the max. I cut it down in half. The day before that it was 862, so I'm fine with this. I'm fine with that. I'm not fine that I missed this move though. Like who in their mind is buying this move right now? Who's buying here? Green, 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 green. Yes, sir. Y'all want to see my chameleon, guys? Wait, what time is it? I gotta take my dog to the vets today. Y'all want to see this cool little guy? Hold on. Bro, people say chameleons aren't chill and that they hate people, but this guy is a friend. I used to have a chameleon when I was a kid. I didn't have him for long though, but it was cool. Yeah, chameleons are not very easy to take care of. That's why everybody says don't get chameleons. Fuck, I lost him. They're not easy to take care of. You have to know what you're doing. But look at this guy. I want you to see this side of him. Here he is. Oh, I think he likes you guys. Look at this. Isn't that cute? Look at him. He's waving hi to you guys. Bro, they have crazy strength. Look at this. He's standing on his back feet. I can't flip him sideways. He won't. Bro, this guy loves to get out. Oh, yeah. He's a different breed of chameleons. You probably had a veiled chameleon if I had to take a guess. The ones with the casket on top. So, those are most likely all green and maybe slight blue with barely any yellow. He's a year old. But he is a panther chameleon, so he's not even changing colors right now. You should see him sometimes. Like sometimes he's just straight orange and I'm like, dude, how is that possible? Let's see if I can find a picture. You'll be like, that's not the same chameleon. I'll tell you it is. Look, that's also him. That's also him. Dude, chill. I guess he just took my phone from me. Yeah, he's 1 year. Panther chameleon. I don't know why, I just love chameleons. They're so cool. They got a tongue that shoots out. They got eyes that move in different directions. They change colors. I mean, if I'm describing this animal to you, you would never guess this animal exists. Alright, you going back in your cage, bud. I know you don't like it. I know you don't like it, but... Oh wow, see, that's what I was scared of earlier. So this halt resumption here is why I sold mine here. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green candles, and oh no way this squeezes up to another high. It's holding that right here. It's got to hold 1667, 1666. Right here, he's matching sort of, yeah. He doesn't yeah, he matches colors, but not to camouflage. They usually change colors because of mood. This candle is gonna hold 1666. I feel like that has to be on purpose. 666. So this halt and it instantly came down like almost $2 a share. That's what I was afraid of here when I was holding 1,000 shares and then I sold half to 500. That's what I was scared of happening, but I guess the move still had more and it did it later. But I don't know. I was already red, so I was protecting my risk. So I should no, I am green on the day. Yeah, so green is green, guys. Ape Trades, you went green today, right? Joey, you were paper trading, but good job on that trade. You took Vale, correct? Any other questions, guys? I gotta take my dog to the vet. Yep, see, it held. It's the same thing I mentioned yesterday. I would take a trade here, frick. I mean, tiny amount, whatever that was. So now I have to freaking go back and redo all this and export a file and save it, overwrite it. But this is so easy to do, guys. Like, I love TraderView. Y'all should really check it out. Go, oh, I click log out. Frick. I don't know how much money I made on that. I don't think it was much, but log in, go import trades. No, I did it again. What the heck? Did y'all see that? That was kind of funny. Import trades, not log out. Browse. Have a good day, bro. Talk to you later. Hey, thanks for coming by. Good trading today. Thanks for everything again. Thanks to everybody who came in here and was with me. Oh, actually, I made like $50 on that last trade. So I'm up $86 now. Hey, that's a full day's of work for some people. Almost. Maybe $100. But I'll take that. From being down again. Look, from being down 600 to positive 100. I'm fine with that. I'll call it there. Even if I had all day to trade, I'd probably call it there. So, alright guys. Thanks again for everybody coming in here. Oh, look at that. That's why I sold it too. Thanks everybody for coming in here like always. If you got any questions, ask. I'll be on Discord. I'll check it throughout the day. Any questions, comments, post your profits. I don't care if it's paper trading or not. Just stay active on there. I appreciate it. Minimum wage is $7.25 here. 8 hours is like $60, so more than a day's work for a lot. Yep, I know. It's pretty crazy. So I'm glad our halt scanner started working. I don't know if Wolfhound is in here still or not. I am glad our halt scanner out of nowhere started working again, because that's how we found this play. Have a good day. Hey, Marissa, thanks for coming back in here again. Appreciate it. I hope you traded good today, and if not, even if it's a loss, hope it's small. And even if you blew it, no worries. Come back tomorrow and you'll do it. I know none of y'all blew accounts. We're all being pretty careful. We're all pretty smart traders, so appreciate that. Alright, guys, I am going to head out. Green Day, awesome. And y'all got to meet my chameleon. By the way, his name is Arbolito, in case anybody wants to ask eventually. It means small tree, tiny little tree. That's his name. Why didn't I post? There it is. That's his name, guys. Alright, guys, gotta take my dog to the vet today. She's gonna get poked. Y'all have a good day. Say it again. Arbolito. Yep. Thank you, Joe. Thanks for coming in. So if you take out the ITO and just put arbol with an L ending, that means tree. And then you know how in Spanish, if you add stuff to the end, it can be like small or like stuff like that. So arbolito means just a small tree, a little tree. I thought that was a clever name. I like it. Alright, guys. I'm going to head out. See y'all. Good trading, everybody. Thanks for coming in.